Ever wondered how to navigate the complex labyrinth that is organic gardening? Pause, breathe, and stress no more. Organic gardening mastery is not as elusive as it seems. Say hello to the Organic Gardening Practicality, your compass in the vast landscape of organic gardening. This book guides you through the flourishing fields of organic gardening, revealing hidden treasures along the way. Scene script. Within its pages, you'll unearth precious nuggets of knowledge. You'll learn how organic gardening is not only a boon to your health, but also a blessing to our shared environment. Discover the undeniable principles leading to a successful organic garden. Unmask the myths and misconceptions surrounding this ancient practice and learn how it's more relevant now than ever before. The book takes you on a deep dive into essential topics like nurturing the soil, an aspect often sidestepped in conventional gardening methods. Experience the transformative power of organic gardening through vivid accounts. See how barren patches of land morph into lush green spaces teeming with life, all thanks to organic gardening techniques. Taste the difference through the stories of those who have savoured the fruits of their organic gardens. Hear firsthand how they have reaped the rewards of this sustainable practice. So, are you ready to unleash your inner gardener, to cultivate your patch of earth into a thriving organic paradise? Pick up your copy of Organic Gardening Practicality today and set forth on your journey towards sustainable, bountiful harvests. Because the secret to a green thumb is just a book away.